friends, my name is Aanchal Kataria. Today I am going to introduce you to the topic gravitation. So the meaning of word grav is attraction by a massive body, means a heavy body. So let's take Earth. So the mass of Earth is 6 into 10 raised to 24 kg. Earth attracts object A towards its center. So this force is gravitational force. We can say that gravitational force is towards the center of heavy body. It is always an attractive force. Gravitational force is much weaker than other fundamental forces. Now, as we know that all bodies attracts towards the earth with constant acceleration. This fact was recognized by Italian physicist Galileo. He demonstrated it by releasing two balls of different masses from top of Leaning Tower of Pisa, which reached the ground at the same time. This constant acceleration is called acceleration due to gravity, which is denoted by small g, and its value is 9.8 meter per second square. When any object falls under action of gravity, the fall is called free fall of an object. So in the free fall, the initial velocity of object is always 0 and the acceleration, which is equal to g, which is 9.8 meter per second square. Newton's law of gravitation. If we take object A with mass m1 and object B with mass m2 and the distance between them as r, so both the objects will exert force on each other. So the force exerted on A by B will be in left direction and the force exerted on B by A will be in right direction. So both these forces are mutual forces of attraction. As we can see that both the forces are equal but they are in opposite direction. So we can write this as F12 is equal to minus F21. Means the force on A by B is equal to minus force on B by A. Now according to Newton, F is directly proportional to m1, m2, means the force is directly proportional to the product of their masses, and force is inversely proportional to 1 upon r square, means force is inversely proportional to 1 upon square of distance between them. If we combine both the equation, we get F is directly proportional to m1 m2 upon r square. So remove this sign, we add a constant. So we get F is equal to g m1 m2 upon r square. Here g is universal constant of gravitation and its value is 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square upon kg square. This value was derived by scientist Cavendish. Thank you for watching. Formula of F is equal to g m1 m2 upon r square. So shift this r square here and m1 upon m2 will come as denominator. So g is equal to fr square upon m1 m2. So g is equal to F can be written as mass into acceleration. So ma r square upon m will get cut. Acceleration can be written as L1 t raised to minus 2, and r square is the distance, means length, so it can be written as L square upon m. Now dimensional formula is always written in brackets. So g is equal to Now here L1 into L square. 2 plus 1, 3. So L3 t raised to minus 2 and m raised to minus 1 as it is in denominator. So here it is derived. Now the second question is, calculate the force with which the moon is attracted by earth. Mass of earth is given 6 into 10 raised to 24 kg. Mass of moon 7.5 into 10 raised to 22 kg. Distance between them is 3.85 into 10 raised to 5 kilometer. And the G is given as 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square upon kg square. So the formula for force is G m1 m2 upon r square is equal to, write down the values. So G is 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11. So 6.67, always write 10 in the n. So 10 raised to minus 11. Now m1 means mass of earth is 6 into 10 raised to 24 kg. So 6 and 10 raised to 24, we'll add this 24 here into m2 means mass of moon. So 7.5 plus 22 upon r square. So 3.85 into 10 raised to 5 square. But this r is given in kilometer. So we will have to convert it in meter, which is equal to 6.67 into 6 into 7.5 into 10 raised to 22 minus 11 is 11 and 24 plus 11 will be 35. So 10 raised to 35 upon 3.85 square into, to convert kilometer in meter, we'll have to multiply it by 1000. So it will become 10 raised to 8. So 10 raised to 8 square. Now it will become 6.67 into 6 into 7.5 into 10 raised to 35 upon 3.85 into 3.85 into 10 raised to 16. So now for easy calculations, reduce this to 6 and to keep this as it is and increase this to 8 into 10 raised to 35 minus 16. This will come up and will become minus upon. Now in the denominator, reduce this to 3 and increase this to 4. So now 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. So it will become 24 into 10 raised to 19 Newton. Thank you.